Hello guys, welcome to Food Culture. I'm the creator Zihao Shen. Every country has a unique aspect that defines the culture, traditions, and values. For many years, the interaction between human beings was driven by their love for adventure that entails understanding variations between communities. Food for many centuries demarcates how populations interact and shape their tradition. My main purpose of this screencast video is to introduce different types of food from other countries and explain the relationship between people and food. My target audience is people who love to try different food from other countries, and here is my website. I will mainly talk about two different kinds of food from China and Japan. The first one is Chinese food. Chinese food has different tastes in different regions, which results in 8 main cuisines. Rice is their staple food and is observed with different meals throughout the day. Chinese people eat uncommon food such as frog, shark fin, snake, which other countries don't eat. But even most Chinese people haven't tried this food. I've tried all three in the picture and they are delicious. One of the most famous Chinese food is Sichuan food. It's extremely spicy and has a perfect balance of spice and ingredients. Next one is Japanese food. It's delicate and unique. Noodles and rice are the most popular diets in Japan. People prefer these meals either boiled or fried. There are 3 popular noodles in Japan, which are soba, udon, and ramen. Food in the Japanese culture is considered vital as it defines different events, seasons, and a form of healthy living mechanism. Food among these two communities, Chinese and Japanese, is considered a significant part of their culture. Meals in the two communities go beyond the food and eating process. Therefore, their traditional food aims at various factors including the taste, transmitting knowledge, and protecting nature. Thanks for watching.